There's many different options for creating arcs within Microsurvey CAD. You can start an arc under the Draw ribbon. And here, if we choose this drop-down arrow, we can see we've got many options available to us. I'm going to choose a basic 3-point arc. And we're then prompted, if you take note in the command line, to choose the starting point. So I'll just pick anywhere on the screen. And then we're now prompted to choose the second point, and finally the third point of the arc to finish the command. We could also start an arc and maybe set a radius. Type R, enter. And we can choose the radius by picking on the screen or set our own, for example 100. And we can see now you can choose an arc at a fixed radius. If we select the arc, the curve computations dialog will come up, and we can see a radius of 100 has been fixed. We can also create an arc using a center point. If I type C, enter, and let's say I wanted this to be my center point, and then now prompted to finish off the arc by choosing the endpoint counterclockwise, rotating around the center. We can also incorporate our entity snaps when creating arcs. So for example, if I want to start an arc and use my endpoint snap, I could start another arc at the beginning of this one. Or if I wanted to use a center point snap, I could create an arc at the center of this arc. And again, choosing my center point, I could put it at center of this arc. All of your object snaps are available to you. As well, you can use the orthogonal mode, which can be turned on in the bottom right corner here, or using the F8 key. If we start an arc, choose the first point, we're then prompted to select the second point either horizontally or vertically from the first. And we can then choose our third point to finish the arc wherever. So the starting point and second point are chosen orthogonally, and the third point can be selected any place. There are many different options available to you when creating arcs in Microsurvey CAD. You can incorporate all of your entity snaps as well as orthogonal mode. And you can find many of the different arc options under the Draw ribbon.